Hey guys, it's Cody with Irie-AT here, coming at you with another tip to add to the Tactile Graphics toolbox. One of the pieces of software we haven't shown you is the Tiger software suite. And one of the cool things about the Tiger software suite is it not only allows you to translate your Braille math, but also literary Braille simultaneously. So check it out and let us know what you think.
Welcome to Irie-AT, Braille and Innovation.
As you can see, I have a equation pasted into MathType, and all I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this equation either by using the left click on my mouse and dragging, or using the keyboard command Control-A as in select all. I'm going to go ahead and right click and hit copy, or Control-C. Then I'm going to simply just jump over to the Microsoft Word program and paste our equation in there. And bam, there you go. You will see that our equation from MathType has now been pasted into Microsoft Word, and now we need to translate this guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the Tiger add-in menu dropdown up above, directly to the right of the Help menu dropdown. And when I do that, I get a bit of a submenu below it, and I'm going to select the Translate Document option in here. And when I do that, it gives me the ability to save the file prior to translating it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a name here. Let's go with math equation. I'm going to go ahead and switch the location as well. Let's get it off my cloud. Let's put it locally. It's right there in my documents. When you hit save, you will notice the translation on screen. We not only have our Braille characters displayed, we also have our print characters displayed for visual reference. So once everything looks good and translated and you approve, we're going to go ahead and just print this guy. So you can go up to either File and select the print option, or simply use Control-P as in Paul on your keyboard. Once you do that, make sure your Irie embosser is selected. You got your print preview over there. It looks good. Hit print and bam, there you go. You have now successfully used the MathType complex equation editor with the Tiger software suite and your Irie embosser.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching another tip to add to the Tactile Graphics toolbox. Hey, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also stay tuned for more upcoming videos coming soon. We've got lots of cool stuff to show you.